Aaaa. While a standard A record maps a domain name to a 32-bit version 4 address, the Quad A record, or AAAA, performs the exact same task for the much newer 128-bit version 6 IP addresses. The architecture of the Quad A record. The name Quad A comes from the fact that an IP version 6 address is exactly 4 times larger than an IP version 4 address. While a version 4 address is written in simple decimal numbers, like 192.0.2.1, a version 6 address is written in hexadecimal characters, which includes both numbers and letters from A through F. For example, a Quad A record for MinuteHow.com might point to a complex address like 2001:0DB8:0.3:000000:8/370:037:0,734. When a modern web browser attempts to connect to a website, it will typically perform a dual stack query. This means it asks the DNS server for both the A record and the Quad A record at the same time, if a version 6 path is available. The browser will prioritize the Quad A record, as version 6 is designed to be more efficient and secure than the aging version 4 standard. Dual stack and transitioning. In your future work at digital forensics labs, you will frequently see dual stack configurations. This is where a single domain name, such as dawntonite.com, has both an A record and a Quad A record active at the same time. This ensures that users on older networks can still reach the site using version 4, while users on modern networks benefit from the speed and security of version 6. As a cybersecurity professional, you must be aware that attackers can sometimes exploit the transition between these two records. For example, if an administrator secures and monitors their version 4A records, but ignores their Quad A records, a hacker could potentially use a malicious version 6 tunnel to bypass firewalls and exfiltrate data undetected. This is why you must always treat the Quad A record with the same level of security scrutiny as the standard A record. Troubleshooting with NSLookup. Just like we discussed with standard A records, you will use the NSLookup tool to verify Quad A configurations. However, because most systems default to version 4, you must explicitly tell the tool what you are looking for. By entering the NSLookup interactive mode and typing set type equals AAAA, followed by the domain name, the tool will ignore the version 4 addresses and show you only the hexadecimal version 6 records. If the tool returns a blank answer, it means the website has not yet created a Quad A record and is still relying entirely on legacy version 4.